hi, Logan. Oh. What are you doing? So you don't know what you want to do. So we've got a box out, we've got the dog bowls, and we have a milk jug. And we don't know what we want to play with. Nope. Oh, and there's the other one. There's the other one. Oh, goodness. Oh. Lots of ruckus. You ready to go?
Yeah.
There's Dusty. Oh, there he went. Come here, Logan. Logan. Come get that milk jug. Come get it. Look how quick you are. Oh. There it went. Hey, you. Hey, you. Say we don't stay still for long. We don't stay still for long. Gonna say hi to Dakota? Say hi, Dakota. Hi, Dusty. Oh, doggy kisses. Doggy kisses. What are you doing? You gonna crawl up there, you think? You think you're gonna crawl up there? Oh, looks like it. Say, be careful, little dude. Okay. And we're up. And we're up. See, that probably doesn't feel as good. Oh my. What are you doing up there? What are you doing up there? Look where I'm at, Dad. Oh. Be careful. Be careful. Huh? Look. Almost.